Once upon a time there was a knight called George. One day he came to a small village and met a man who lived in a cave. The hermit told the knight that a dragon had come to live in the lake and attacked the village every day.
The villagers didn't know what to do. First, they gave the dragon all the animals from their farm. But the dragon just stopped the animals and still attacked the village.
The villagers gave the dragon all their food. The dragon took all the food but continued to attack the villagers.
So then, they gave the dragon all their gold and jewels. The dragon took all their money but still was not satisfied.
The king sent his army to try to capture the dragon. But the dragon was too strong, and their knights of the army were too scared and ran away. With nothing to give, the king could only think of one thing to help to protect these people. He sent his only daughter, the princess, to the lake to wait for the dragon.
When George heard this, he rode as fast as he could to the lake. George attacked the dragon, won the fight and killed the dragon.
George and the princess returned to the village, and everyone was very pleased that they would have no more problem with the dragon.
Today the story of St. George's bravery is remembered, and George is known as the patron saint of many countries.